माय नेम इज़ मोनिका। वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आई हूँ नायका हॉल। आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम नायका, फ्रॉम द ब्रांड नायका एज वेल। सो मैंने काफ़ी सारी मेकअप की चीज़ें खरीदी हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट आइटम आई हैव गॉट इज it's this Nykaa Love Struck perfume. It's Nykaa Love Struck Talk All Night perfume. This is the perfume. Let me just show you from inside the perfume bottle. This is the packaging and wow, this is so cute. This is the bottle. Like, this is the bottle. Okay, so this is the perfume. I have not tried it yet, but yeah, this smells so great, you know. This smells so great. This is my first item I have got from Nykaa. I buy all these items from the Nykaa app. So this is my first item. You can see it's like, this is the bottle. It's a very elegant, very unique. It's a very elegant, very unique. It's a classy bottle. So this is my first item from Nykaa. And the second item is, this is my second item. This is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is the primer basically. Primer is used basically before makeup. I mean, this is for the skin preparation. If you guys don't know, then let me just tell you. जब आप मेकअप करते हो तब मेकअप से पहले आपको प्राइमर लगाना ज़रूरी होता है. This is because of if you want like your makeup will last long, so the primer is mandatory. And Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer is, it's a very good primer. I have got, so this is the primer. This is it's a tone plus soothen plus perfect. So this is the primer from Nykaa. This is my second item from Nykaa, and I love the Nykaa products. Basically, I have got so many products from Nykaa. So if you want the reviews of all these products, then I'll get you the second video with the reviews. Okay, and this is the third item. The third item I have got is these makeup sponges. These are the makeup sponges. These are the makeup blenders basically. These are used for the blend for blending the makeup, like foundation को blend करने के लिए, और हाइलाइटर, नॉट फॉर हाइलाइटर, बेसिकली फॉर फाउंडेशन को ब्लेंड करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. और गाइस, कभी भी जो ब्लेंडर्स होते हैं, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स, इनको कभी भी वेट नहीं यूज़ करना, कभी भी इनको ड्राई नहीं यूज़ करना होता है. इनको पहले वाटर में डिप करना होता है, पानी में डिप करना होता है, देन उसको एक्सेस को सोक करने के बाद उसको यूज़ करना होता है. सो दीज आर द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स. These are from Nykaa. Okay, these are my second items, and the third item is these were the third. The third item is, these are the lashes. These are the Nykaa Melodrama lashes. These are the fake lashes basically, but the lashes is like, these are very natural type of lashes. I have not used the lashes first time. I used these lashes after. This will be my first time I use these lashes. So I have got these lashes as well. I have got these lashes for rupees 199. This is for 199. I'll share the link in the description box with the price so that you can get the idea of the price as well. Okay, so this is my fourth item, and next item is, it's Nykaa Insta Blur Color Corrector. So basically this is the orange color corrector. If you guys don't know what is color corrector, so basically this is color corrector is a thing used in makeup basically. So this is the thing to make your tone even, the skin tone is even. Like if you have the dark circles of the acne, spots of acne, then you can use these then you have to use the color corrector for those acnes or dark circles, and then you have to blend it very well. So this is for normally for day type of makeup you don't need to use. Basically for daily makeup के लिए हमें हाईलाइट, हमें डेली मेकअप के लिए बेसिकली कलर करेक्टर यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. सो बेसिकली अगर हम लोग लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और कोई पार्टी मेकअप कर रहे हैं और हम किसी क्लाइंट पे, लाइक इफ यू आर अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और यू आर यूजिंग डूइंग अ मेकअप फॉर एनी क्लाइंट, देन यू हैव टू यूज द कलर करेक्टर. सो बेसिकली काफी सारे कलर्स में आते हैं, बट normally the peach color and the orange color is the normal, goes with the Indian skin tone for every type of skin tone. So for my skin type, basically orange is fine with me. Okay, so yeah, this is the color. This is from the Nykaa as well. The MRP is wait, yeah, let me just tell you. No, MRP is not mentioned over here. Okay, I'll share the link in the description box. Fine. Yeah, the next item I have is this Nykaa lipstick. This is the lipstick, and the shade is basically, this is the shade. You can see. Let me just show you the shade, exact shade. It's a nude pink type, like it's a nude pink. So this is the shade. I love this shade. Basically, I have used it once, so I have this is the fourth item I have got from Nykaa, and the next item is this is Nykaa Glamour Eyes. Nykaa Glamour Eye. It's a kajal basically. So this is a kajal aesthetic. It's a green kajal. It's a Nykaa Glamour Eyes Emerald Vent. The color is Emerald Vent, guys. Look at this. So this is the green kajal. Let me just show you the color. Yeah, it's a color of the green. Actually, I love the colorful kajal. Basically, I have like blue, white, brown, golden and white and everything. So I have not have the green one. So that's why I have ordered the green kajal. And the last item I have from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Daydreaming Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow. This is the packaging. Packaging is like this, and the eyeshadow is, yeah, this is the eyeshadow. It comes with the brush, with the double-sided brush basically, so you can use the brush as well. So let me just open. This have basically all the daily needs, like all the colors which needed daily on the daily basis. सो इसमें वो सारे कलर्स हैं जो बेसिकली आपको डे मेकअप, नॉर्मल मेकअप, पार्टी मेकअप के लिए चाहिए होता है. वो सारे कलर्स इसमें अवेलेबल हैं. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द पैलेट you should, like everyone is having in his vanity box. This is the palette. So I love the, I mean these shades are very pigmented. Let me just show you. The shades are like this. These are like so much pigmented colors. See, the eyeshadow is good if the palette is so much pigmented. So look at this. Yeah, these are the shades basically. So this is the eyeshadow palette I have. This is the last item I have got from Nykaa. So yeah, that's it for today. So if you have not, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, then please subscribe my channel Living with Monica. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you guys.